Limestone cleaning Thurnby Leicester by Abbey Floor Care. Ingrained surface soil makes limestone look dull. If there are natural holes, they can fill with soil, creating ugly dark spots. This video, about limestone cleaning Thurnby Leicester, will help you if you have a dull, uninviting tumbled limestone floor. Why does tumbled limestone get soiled? Most of the soil in the surface of limestone, in the grout, and in the natural holes, originates from mopping with a wet cotton mop. If you don't remove dry soil from a stone floor, wet mopping turns the dry soil into a dirty wet paste. When a wet mop moves over the floor, grit particles in the slurry paste scratch the surface of the floor. The mop also deposits dirty slurry into grout lines and holes. Over time, the slurry deposits build up, turning the clean holes into ugly visible black spots. Deep cleaning limestone. A rotary scrubbing machine using limestone cleaners will help remove ingrained surface soil. A wet vacuum will lift the dirty slurry off the floor. The cleaning and scrubbing are repeated, until all the surface soil has been removed. A scrubbing machine will not remove impacted soil in holes and deep grout. This soil can be removed using pressure rinsing. The pressure rinsing is repeated until all the impacted soil has been removed. Grout filling tumbled limestone. Holes in the limestone tiles can be filled with a jasmine color grout. The grout work will be quite lengthy, taking a number of hours on an average floor, because each tile has to be grouted individually. As the grout dries, surface grout and grout haze are removed. Now the tiles will not suffer from ugly impacted soil. Why impregnating sealers are not ideal for rough limestone. Impregnating sealers are used to protect all types of stone, but they do not make rough stone any easier to mop. The surface of the stone remains rough, like sandpaper. It is challenging to mop a sandpaper-like rough finish on limestone. Hybrid sealers are ideal sealers for limestone. A hybrid impregnating and film-forming sealer is ideal for textured tiles. The sealer soaks deep into the surface of the stone. The resins in the sealer help bind the stone particles, increasing the durability of the finish. A hybrid sealer is also film-forming. The thin surface film is hardly noticeable, but it makes the rough limestone finish and grout more comfortable to mop clean. The film is exceptionally hard-wearing, giving years of life, rather than just months. Hybrid sealers are more expensive and time-consuming to apply, compared to standard impregnating sealers, but the results are well worth the investment in time. Once a tumbled limestone floor has been professionally cleaned and sealed, you can look forward to years of a beautiful floor. If you need help with your limestone floor, contact me on 0800 695 0180 or visit my website at www.abbeyfloorcare.co.uk for a free quotation. I will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching my video.